Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this 8-inch RPS touchscreen spatial head unit for Vauxhall, Opel, Insignia, Buick, Regal, 2013 to 2017 years. Okay, let me do unbox review. Open the box. This is install parts. And this is a unit. And the canvas box and the harness. And let me show harnesses first. You can check this head unit. Okay, this is install part. Will come with head unit together. Okay. And this special harness. Okay, you can check this canvas box. And those connector. This is connect our back head unit. Okay. And this is audio cable. This is radio antenna. This is camera input. This is AUX input in left and AUX input right. This is on star and this is on star. Okay. And this connector you can check. Okay. It's plug and play. Plug and play. This K1 and K2, and this GND wire for steering wheel controls. This ANT 12 voltage. Okay, this special harness plug and play. This is radio antenna adapter. Okay. And this small speaker connects it on the harness. connect it on the harness. In this connect small speaker. Okay, this is GPS antenna. GPS antenna, and this is remote controller. It's AUX, and this is two USB cable and external microphone. External microphone. This connect our back head unit. Okay. And this camera input. Okay, this audio cable and video input, video output 1 and video output 2. This subwoofer, RCA type, and front and rear, left and right AUX output. This AUX input, left and right. This video input, RCA type. Okay. Let me show head unit. It's 8-inch high resolution. Okay, you can check this head unit. Back dash kit frame and with the touch screen. Okay, and this head unit DVD player, but not DVD. It's motherboard and cardboard. This Wi-Fi antenna. This connection for USB and audio cable. This radio antenna. GPS power fuse. Okay. Let me connect power cable. You can check head unit will be started. Okay, starting. Okay, you can check the front UI interface. It's volume control, and the home button, this back button, built-in microphone, and II. Please take off this screen protector before using. Okay, it's built-in Google Maps. Let me check the settings. It's PX6 hardware and Android 10 system. Okay. Total storage 64 GB. Built-in Wi-Fi and support 4G network. Personal settings. You can change this button lights with gray. It's built-in Z-Link app for Android and Apple CarPlay. Wireless Android and Apple CarPlay. Okay. And built-in DSP amplifier. Okay, this is easy connection for Mirrorlink. Built-in Play Store, you can download the applications from Play Store. This vehicle information. Control settings. Okay. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. Thank you.